Hello, good morning, everyone. This is Zach here from XIFU. So once again, if you are joining me together with me this morning over here, appreciate if you can give me the like buttons over here and help me to share this out. Again, before we start, just a quick disclaimer. This section here, we are not doing any buy and sell call. So if you want to trade any stocks based on discussion this morning, make sure you're on trading plan. All right. If not, get advice from the professional. Okay, so this morning, I think everything as usual. Okay, I do expect some technical rebound soon because of how bad the market looks like. But today, so far, we haven't seen that. But at least the index, some of the sectors actually tend to greens already. But hopefully, it will sustain towards the end. Okay, so again, market remains bearish. Last Friday night, also, we have a section together with Dato Yu from I4 Value to talk about the overall glove sectors. Okay, so I think his message is quite clear that again, we're not doing any buy and sell call. I just sharing in terms of value investing perspective is that currently glove sector is probably going to take time, okay, for its recovery, and definitely if you are looking for something 1 or 2 years time frame, definitely it's not advisable due to some of the things that he highlight, okay, in the sections on last Friday. Okay, actually watch that out in the recording. So yes, if you look into Togglove over here, looks like they will retest back to the main support level. Hopefully, it will hold well. So, okay, the next support level, I think, is somewhere around 75 cents. Okay, but still too early to tell. But currently, if you're looking for some shorter opportunity, I don't think I see that too. Okay, in Togglove counters, in Togglove charts. So, okay, now let's look into FBM KLCI. As usual, we're going to start with FBM KLCI to see the overall directions of the market. Last Friday, we have some volume, spike in volume. Okay, but today looks like still okay lah, boleh lah. Tapi for me, still is not good enough. Okay, still not good enough. Okay, so again, 1590 is still is a main crucial level for those that who are looking for short-term opportunity. 1590. All right, should be tested here, break, retest, and then goes up. Okay, so like, let's say a few days they drop below, which means technically market still weak lah. So looks like they're going to wash a little bit deeper. Okay, the next one will be, I was expecting 1550 area, okay, to see whether it can hold well or not, and then rebounded back to 1590, hopefully 1600. Okay, so that is overall FBN Kels. Yeah, I think most of the sectors not doing well. Only the glove, the finance and the plantation is holding the overall FBN Kels SE. Okay, so now this is the sectors overall. Okay, tech recovered, but not much. Okay, so we have constructions also turns green, consumer turning green, energy turning green. Okay, but let's see lah. But I don't think a lot. Financial services still holding pretty well overall. Not too bad. Okay, not too bad. Doing some reaccumulations over here. Okay, any others that is interesting? Let's look into energy. Okay, actually dropped quite badly mostly. So again, I do expect some technical rebound might happen soon. So that's why probably this week have to watch market closely really. So let's say got any technical rebound, then okay, it's a good time to look for a short-term opportunity. Like for example, here this is a gap, right? Sometimes technical rebound will be back to here again before it drop. Like for example, here gaps, right? Okay, so sometimes it will try to goes to the resistance before drop. So you try to catch on this kind of technical rebound. Okay, hopefully it will come soon. But today, I don't think it's a strong one. Okay, because you notice the candle is very narrow. It's not a very good one overall. Wow, consumer product. What happened so this one? Okay, very bad everything. Okay, property also. Property is from the top so I probably don't really like that. Okay, plantation. Okay, plantation today also drop. Okay, but okay, quite a normal drop over here. So okay, maybe 7,500 plantation probably can try to look for some short-term opportunity also. All right, so there's overall sectors over here. Do let me know any counters you are looking into right now. I know market is very boring. Personally, also boring. Okay, sometimes what happens is that after 10, 11 a.m. Personally, for myself, also didn't look into market anymore because really got nothing. Unless you are those that who like to buy those bottom counters, I like to catch the falling knife one. Like some of my friends, they like to do that. Okay, when the market drop, right? Like for example, last week dropped badly, you know, it's cheap. Okay, for them is that wow. For example, I think one of my friends shared, he bought Inari. Okay, uh, now it's almost 2 ringgits. Okay, so previously is how much is 4 ringgit. Okay, now it's super cheap, 50% discount. So they bought it just because of this purpose. Okay, so sometimes yes, market drop you have technical rebound, then you make a quick opportunities there. Okay, but for me, I always like to look for setup first before I enter. Okay, so depending on which type of traders you are, okay, what type of patterns you like. Yeah, for me now drop badly. I think technical rebound might happen soon. This is wow, so high volume. This is the SFP tech So I think technology can watch out again because I do notice some of the like SFP tech also they come with high volume. Okay, but no reversal yet. Okay, like I say, what I'm going to do is that normally for this kind of patterns, okay, you use what I always try to confirm the reversal. Okay, because you want to do short term. Because even though yes, we got high volume, but doesn't mean it's overall it's turning to bullish. Okay, so this one no reversal yet. Let's try Inari. Okay, and okay, look for those high volume drop one. I think it's very interesting to watch out on that. Oh, this is last Friday, last trading hour, so high volume. Okay, something crazy must be going on. Okay, this one interesting. We're going to monitor Inari. S&P Tech also I think worth to watch out. Let's try others tech related. See whether got this kind of volume on it. Okay, Grad Tech increasing volume, but it's not the highest. Okay, Front Can. Oh, this one also dropped badly. I remember this one previously I bought. Okay, but now it's below 2 ringgits. Okay, Front Can looks like still holding well. Okay. Any others tech counters? PIE. Wah, PIE also kena teruk-teruk. Hey, good morning. Happy Harmony. Good morning. Okay. No lah. So I think so far S&P Tech and Inari lah. I got high volume one. Okay. Now do let me know any counters you want me to look into lah. Okay. Today not much people also. I think everyone just give up. I'm not sure. Okay. Personally for me, yeah lah, half. Not to say give up totally, but just that. Really, if let's say sometimes you don't have anything, you don't force yourself to trade. Like I say, sometime morning, around 10, 11, I don't see anything, I just close it. Okay, so that's why, yeah, this really a bit quiet because I really didn't monitor market. Not worth to monitor. Sometimes you see this kind of small candle up. You thought you want to reverse, you buy it, the next day it drop. Okay, so for me, I'd rather look into hourly up. So if let's say you do have volume coming back with up bar, then okay, I'll slowly look into the hourly. Okay, so I believe that probably the technical rebound will happen soon. Like for example, here drop badly, at least got 1 or 2 weeks of time of technical rebound. It will happen. Okay, so we wait for at least 2 candles. We look into the volume. Okay, where are you based? Okay, my office is in PJ. Okay, in PJ. How about you? Let's try the Naga. Okay, the Naga. Okay, still holding today. Okay, this one. So far no issue. Okay, but monitor support. Okay, so far no issue. Monitor support. The reason why I say so, lots of stock nowadays break support. I also takut. Okay, this one also I got set alerts. I break below support, so will trouble also. But so far so good. If you ask me, so far so good. Okay, this one looks like last week got one counter also breaking up, but someone asked me also. I can't recall. Not sure whether Kelvin is here or not. Okay, if you got no counters over here, I just look into my alerts. Let's see if got anything interesting. Oh, MSM. Okay, MSM, yes. MSM still holding on pullback. But want to enter right now, I also takut. Yeah. But okay, at least right now what we can do is that we look for counters that is worth to pay attention to, worth to monitor. Like for example, this one I think worth to monitor. Okay, if let's say market recover later on, I'm not sure. Okay, technical rebound or maybe a real recovery 1 month from now, who knows? Right, we have been in this market since last year July Okay, so if let's say this one continue towards half of the year, so don't know what to do really. But this one, to be frank, so far, yeah. Okay, let me draw nicely. Okay, this one I tell you, this one so far so good okay for me. Okay, MSM. One of the stocks that I think worth to pay attention to. Okay. So yes, this one can keep in the watch list for MSM. MNAM, okay, but this one no much volume. Hybris Muhiba, okay, today looks like got activity, but overall still in downtrend. Yes, it's a gap up. No for me. Cosmos. Okay, yeah, from KL as well. Okay, next time we have event, do come to join us. Okay, for those who in KL, if let's say I'm incoming, we have event, do join us. Actually, I was planning the next event. Our last one I think is around October, November last year, and then the first one that we do is around July, September. The time we have ECMO coming. Last section we have MYEG. Now actually I'm planning to see whether got any company that's willing come to share. Now of course I do have invite some whether investing like Dato Yu and some of the technical guru also come to do some section also. Okay, so do join us, because the reasons why I didn't do these few months, actually I want to do around Feb and March, but market is like that. Okay, market is very bad. So I on hold first. Okay, probably around after Raya, April, May. Okay, we will have one section. Okay, so for those who in KL, we'll post in Telegram. Okay, do join us. Okay, if you are around. Okay. Oh, KPJ still damn strong, huh? Okay, I'm surprised. Okay, this kind of counters really got nothing today. Really got nothing. Okay, now let's try some. I know last week some of the plantation counters still holding very nicely. J Tiasa. Okay, just Tiasa still okay. And I think that one is the decision. So we look into these few counters, then we end our section. Okay, still okay. Not to say the strongest one, but at least based on current market condition, this is one of the best. Okay, let's try Tan. Okay, Tan got some stocks. Okay, good. Wow, this one's so high volume. Upper Jadi. These few counters drop one with high volume. Okay, can start to monitor already. Normally drop high volume got chance. Normally go up high volume also, you will reverse also. So be careful. So got drop high volume one. Okay, you wait for a reversal. Okay, I think this one can put into washes also. Okay, Gamuda IJM. Okay, long time didn't see these few counters really. Oh, this one also high volume. But I don't like they are coming from the top. There's a problem. I'm not sure. I still think that the DC related counters got a bit of distribution patterns. So right now, for me, I thought it over. Previously, Gamuda, IJM, even YTL. Okay. So, okay, now, few things. Here, top got a lot of volume. Normally, top got a lot of volume. I mean, sudden spike in volume, especially climatic volume. Okay, two things might happen. It might be a distribution, probably the later will drop badly. If not, they will maybe do a wash, sideways. Okay, like for example, Tenaga, okay, going up, then sideways for 6 months, 1 year. Okay, this one might happen. Okay, so probably in this period over here, you will see patterns like VCP. Okay, like this before they break this resistance, but this one normally will take 1 year plus. Okay, because this one has been go up for quite some times already. Okay, from I think how much? At least 200%, right? Definitely, right? So here from 224, 100 over plus percent. So some reaccumulation will happen. Okay, but right now, okay, I'm not sure you're looking for long term, short terms. Short term wise, I think they break support last week. They break last week support. This is the latest support, which I don't think is a very strong one. Okay, now I use my strength candle because this one I think they break support last week support already. Okay, this is my strength candle. I notice here. Okay, not good. Actually, best one they stay above here. Long term. Okay, long term. Okay, then we look into the FA. Okay, so 4 out of 9. Okay, not the best one currently. Of course, DIY is out. Okay, DIY is out. 1.5 over 10. Okay, so that's definitely out. Okay, now just weekly, if let's say looking for long term. Okay, maybe if you really keen interested, 4 ringgit I think the next support. Okay, 4 ringgit I think is the next support. Okay, for 10, I assume most of the counter is for long term, so I will use weekly and my FA analyzer. Okay, then I go into Happy Harmony YTR. I think Tan also asked about YTR power too. IJM, okay. Yeah, this is something that actually I afraid distributions ready. Okay, technical wise, not good. Okay, technical wise, not good. No setups, okay? So, okay, here, like I say, whenever, okay, things is like that. Whenever price goes up very high, you see spike in volume, climatic volume, not this kind of high volume, okay, of course, high volume, I cannot really give you a numbers. I cannot say 100 million, 10 million, 1 million, I cannot say that. You need to compare to your previous candle, okay, the volume, okay, to see whether which one is high, which one is low. But this one is high. Definitely, I think you all can see this. This is back to 2022. Okay, this is the highest. So whenever you see price shooting up, high volume, okay, you know something probably will change. Okay, will go down, I'm not sure. Will go sideways, also not sure. But maybe the uptrend will temporarily stops. But this one going down. Okay, so if you plan to buy whole, okay, I don't see the setup yet. Okay, but okay, maybe in short term or mid term, it will like this a little bit. Okay, then only continue drop. It may happen. Okay, so if you are aiming for this, use the daily chart. Okay, to look out for it. Okay, but right now, I don't see it's a strong setups. Okay, to look for buy and hold for the next few years. Okay, so let's do into analyzer. Okay, so FA. Okay, 6 out of 9. Not too bad actually. Okay, so it can say it's good, but for me, I prefer 7 out of 9. If you're looking for something long term, like P metal is good. Okay, so FA wise definitely is out already. Okay, obviously it's showing from the chart. Okay, it's out already. Okay, so this is a quick one for IGM. Okay, let's look into YTR power. YTR power technically also didn't focus really. Okay, I didn't show. Okay, right now it's at 3 ringgit, which is at the peer support. Okay, so if you're interested, okay, I think okay. If you're really keen, I think it's okay at 3 ringgit level, which is the current support level. Okay, which is good. But break below here, have the action ready. I have to take some actions ready, which is I think a stop loss lah. Okay, so because this one also going up like crazy. Okay, probably a period of so-called accumulation or reaccumulation will happen. Okay, like again example Tenaga. Okay, probably 1 year. Sometimes like PSA, I think some counters, boring one like Uchitech. Okay, they're in a nice uptrend, but sometimes sideways can take 2 years, man. But after that, they break up slowly again, sideways again for 1-2 years. Okay, so this one probably will take some time, okay, to do a sideways. But this is currently the 3 ringgit one support. Okay, now let's look into my analyzer again. 5 out of 9. Okay, again not too bad lah. 5 out of 9 is okay. TA out. Okay, for short term, mid term, and long term, also not that strong. Okay, so if you're plan buy to hold, but at least now they are tests around the pure support. Okay, so you know at least if let's say they fail, you know where you should do. Okay, so ABNB. Okay, P metal for me, I like it. Okay, now ABNB is trend wise still good. Okay, here PSC we have some high volume, but it didn't break. Okay, continue goes up higher with another break above resistance. For me right now it's okay. If you want to ride on a short-term momentum right now, it's okay, right? I think banks technically mostly still quite strong. Okay, but this one against from here to here, this is how much? This is 3 ringgit to 5 ringgit plus already. Okay, so around 70-80% up already. Okay, so don't expect this kind of movement again. I don't expect again. Every trend also they will have a period where they will end and reaccumulate one month. Okay, like Gamuda, IGM just now we saw already. Tenaga also, it goes up 100%. Okay, then they stop already. Okay, so this is how market works. Okay, now this one almost giant 70-80%. Roughly, you know, you cannot aim again this kind of same distance anymore. Okay, probably another 10% I still think that is possible right now. I don't see any weakness. Okay, for ABNB. Okay, probably still can ride on this so-called slow and steady trend. Okay, because they're actually still respecting on the trend line. Okay, probably can use this 20 MA. If let's say they break below 20 MA, then probably going to exit. Okay, so here my analyzer, 3 out of 9. Okay, probably because of the price getting higher. So FA wise is not the best one. Okay, TA wise, yes, trending, slow and steady type. Okay, so okay, let's look into P metal Presta. Okay, then I go into YTL by Happy Harmony. Okay, this one at least sideway accumulation. This is P metal. Again, one of the reasons why I like it. Okay, so this one, okay, let's scroll. Okay, now similar things. Wow, this one exactly similar like IJM, Gamuda, all this kind of patterns. Okay, good one. This one is a good example. Okay, going up. Okay, here high volume, notice. Drop sideways, sideways. This one sideways for how long already? Since April 2022 until now, almost April 2025. So you can notice almost a 3-year type of reaccumulation. So if you ask me, IJM, Gamuda, possible or not, I will say possible. Probably they will do like this also. Okay, sometimes thing is like that. A teams come in, everyone very excited, but once it's over, it will quiet one. Okay, now for example, here I would put IJM. Okay, but at least right now what I'm trying to say is that P method right now is in a nice reaccumulation. Support is there already. Personally, I like it. Okay, so that's why I was looking into it as well. Okay, now if you notice here, I think here and here a bit similar. That's why I say for those who are looking to DC one related, must watch out a bit. So here like this, up, break, okay, double bottom, then they slightly go into support. Okay, so here also goes up, cumulative volume. Here you notice here top go cumulative volume, right? Okay, here we test, break. Okay, so break support here, this one break support here, volume increasing, here also volume increasing. Okay, so probably it will be the same also. Sometimes it will goes up zigzag like this. Okay, so probably here also will be the same. Okay, like this. Okay, once you have like double bottom ke macam ni ke, okay, maybe it will slowly go into sideways already. Okay, so for me, if let's say you are looking for something like IGM kind of stocks, best you wait for at least this kind of patterns. Like I think YTL, right, tested, YTL power, sorry, okay, tested twice. Okay, then at least you know where is the support. Okay, if let's say break, you know what you should do. Okay, let's say above support, then it's still fine. Okay, so this is my opinions. Again, I might be wrong also. Sometimes what I do is I just look into similar stocks, historical data, and see what actually the overall patterns, direction, how they do. Okay, around this kind of period of time. Okay. Sorry. Let me go back to weekly. So I have P metal. Let's try Presta. Then we go to YTL. Okay. Then we're gonna end our section. Again, a boring day. A boring day. Okay. This one also, at least they are building some sideways accumulation. But Presta is a tricky stock. We'll see lots of news. But in the end, tak jadi. Okay. Kena before also. Of course, if let's say you say the strong one, okay, for the trend to become stronger, must be above 50 cents. This is like a shakeout. Okay, this period I think okay because they're actually at the so-called period support zone. Okay, but this period probably require you a little bit of patience. But if you are looking for long term, I think just as I mentioned, looking for long term, I think it should be okay. Expecting this kind of sideways also. You notice here, this is again back to October 2022. To around Jan or Feb okay, 2024 1 year plus kind of time frame. So maybe here also we have 1 year kind of like a sideways quiet before they slowly go into here again. Okay, but at least they are building certain support. Okay, this one can tell they are building certain supports. Okay, let's look into YTL. Okay, I go into daily so I'm not sure whether Happy Harmony you're looking for long term, short term. Okay, but let's say weekly wise, they're actually trying this support area. This support area is crucial. Kind of similar with YTL also. All right. Short terms patterns, if you're looking for short terms, I don't see setups. Okay, because here still like macam downtrend. It's not macam downtrend, it's downtrend. Okay, let me erase here. Okay, something like this. Okay, still are in a downtrend. Okay, yeah, I don't know how to read Chinese. 什么？请问怎样看一个股有没有庄家？Oh, it means like operators. Okay, operators. Okay, now normally for operators, right? I don't really look at any indicators because I still think that in terms of volume spread analysis, VSA volume spread analysis methods, okay, actually operator, okay, so-called 庄家啦, sorry, I'm not sure how to read the Chinese, okay, operator, okay, normally when they buy, Do you think they will show or hide the footprints? Do you think they will show you or hide the buy and sell? Okay, of course, some people will use the 5 market depths. You can actually use the XIFU apps over here. 5 market depths, or maybe some even go to 10s, some go to 15. Okay, market depths. Okay, now for me, I really use market depth. Of course, you can use it as your guide, okay, to see where is the highest, where it's got lots of buyer, lots of seller. You can use that as a guide. But the main reason sometimes I don't really use that is because, right, you notice some tricky counters they will park lots of buy and sell queue. Okay, 100K, 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 100K. Okay, you thought that, oh, got a lot of people buying. But suddenly at the next few minutes or next hour, all this disappear on. Okay, so that's why sometimes I don't really focus a lot in the market steps level. Of course, some counters is very obvious one. You can see low Q, low Q, low Q. Hey, got one high Q one. Especially resistance because lots of retail selling. So that one is very easy to tell. But let's say buy Q1, normally I don't really look into that. I think that sometimes all this Q is a bit fake. Okay, because sometimes after 1-2 minutes, you say, hey, why all gone already? Sometimes during lunchtime, I see lots of Q. After market open already, all gone already. Okay, so okay, for me, how to really spot an operator, I look into overall trend and volume. Okay, so that's the easiest one. So okay, against a very easy one is that normally when an operator buy, okay, they won't really want to tell. Of course, they want to tell. They don't want to tell. They will buy slowly one. So what I do is that I like to look into a periods of where they are kind of low volume one. Like for example, maybe like this period over here. Okay, narrow bar with low volume. That's why I like to. That's why if you follow my Telegram or my live Facebook since previously until now, I like to see narrow bar plus low volume. Okay, so this equals to someone is buying it. Okay, now not only that. Okay, of course, whenever people buy lah. So you have to see also whether they're ready to move or not. Okay, so of course, shakeout is also one of the indication. Shakeout. Okay, shakeout. I put a normally happen during the accumulation periods. Okay, shakeout happens, then you know already. Okay, the operator is still there and they are interested. Followed by a breakup with volume. Okay, then if let's say you know this kind of combination, you know the operator are still in the stocks. Okay, this one is still in the stocks. Okay, the operator still keen. Okay, in the stocks. Okay, so but if let's say the price go up, like those like IGM, all this PSC toggle also have one. Go suddenly volume spike. Then you need to be careful. Now this one I will be careful lah. Okay, this one I also don't know what is the intention. Sometimes you're not sure what is the intentions. Then you have to be careful with it. So what I do in this kind of situation is, okay, if I in the trade I will put my stop loss below here. Okay, so this is the spike volume. Okay, here right, let's say drop below. Okay, I will exit loh. Okay, I will exit first. Then let's say they go back already. Sideways. Okay, then probably you want to plan again your entry. Okay, because sometimes operators like that. Okay, not very straightforward. I cannot really tell you one method. Here is like this. Here is one step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sometimes it's like, okay, first group charboard ready, second group come in. It can happen also. Okay, so you have to tell what happened next to tell the whole story. Okay, so that's why it's always good, okay, for me to have this kind of candle. Notice here, a good trend should have this kind of candle. Narrow candle with low volume. Okay, but unfortunately nowadays you rarely see that. That's why I over totally this kind of market right now. Okay, what price to confirm if the price resume uptrend? Okay, few ways to enter depending on whether you buy before or after. Okay, now what I do is that okay, for example, I use this example. So here it goes up. Okay, okay, let me zoom in. Okay, if let's say you buy during this sideway, okay, if let's say you buy during this sideway, right? You look for a stock, and suddenly look for you're able to pick up this sideway stock. Okay, normally what I do is that I will how to confirm it will resume. Okay, so for me is that during this sideway, okay, how to confirm is that first you got shake out. Okay, to answer CHI answer lah. Shake out. Okay, I think previously I do show a lot of shake out, but unfortunately nowadays don't have. I cannot show you the latest one, unless next few weeks we have that. Okay, then I will show you more. Okay, so actually I also helping market do shake out. Okay, because normally if you got shake out one, the trend will ready to continue on. I think Ramso previously having that also. So okay, now here shake out. Okay, then the price will actually likely to continue also during sideway reaccumulation. Okay, now for example, right, any stock in reaccumulation one. Let me think. I can share you example or not. Okay, this one definitely don't have lah. Okay, Ramso, is it Ramso lately? Okay, hopefully I answer some of your questions, especially Happy Harmony lah. I'm not sure whether is this something that you are looking into or not with these questions. Okay, not this one. I can't recall the counters really. But unfortunately, like I said, unfortunately nowadays don't have lots of shakeout. Let's go to Kobe. Okay. Kobe, something like this. Like I said, I still watching some of the tech counters, even though some drop badly. Some drop badly, then okay, some like this one, it didn't drop badly. Okay, now this volume is very low. Okay, if 1 or 2 weeks later the pushback with higher volume, you know this is a shakeout already. Shakeout it also represent that of course during weak market operator don't want to push anything that you push, people sell. So no point for them to push. Okay, so what they do, they drop below support. Maybe it's a good time for them to accumulate more at lower price. Okay, of course low volume indicating that seller is not dominating the markets. Okay, so this is how I should tell. So left hand side also very important. Okay, on this left hand side over here, you want to see buyer or seller dominating more. Okay, so if let's say you see volume on upbar, which means they are dominating currently. Okay, have you heard about smart money index? I never heard that before. I know there's one called MCDX previously. Okay, MCDX. But I use it. I think in the trading view also you actually can see the formula also. But it didn't really show how the volume come from. Okay, technically for me that one is trend following kind of indicators. Okay, you notice when the price gap down one, you can actually, okay, very easy one. For example, you are using this smart money index, right? One of the easy way you go for you look for those gap down counters like Genting M. Okay, suddenly you notice why the smart money disappear already. Okay, again, if a real smart money or operators, right, when they entered, right, they won't disappear. They won't disappear in 191. Okay, I mean makes sense. During accumulation phase. Okay, during accumulation phase, they'll buy a lot one, few millions one, right? So, I mean, it's a bit impossible to tell me that okay, they sell off in one night. Okay, so for example, most of the stocks, right, whenever they do distribution, like for example here also I notice going up, suddenly got spike volume one. I also need to be careful. So for example, like this one previously Togo, very famous one. Okay, they goes up, drop badly, goes up, drop badly, goes up again. So why we have this kind of so-called technical rebound sometimes? Because of first round they dump. Okay, still got a lot. They cannot dump everything. Okay, if let's say dump, they will maybe have this kind of widespread candle already. So rugi because they accumulate a lot. They have to set a cheaper price. So what they do is that they will slow down the selling, maybe push on the time, okay, sell again, push, sell again, or maybe slow down their selling so that the market will rebound. Okay, because a lot of people at the time still believe, Togglove can go to 30 ringgit, 40 ringgit, 50 ringgit. Okay, so they will buy more, then operator sell again. Okay, so for me, very easy one. You want to tell got the indicator works on smart, so-called the smart money or not. You look for the gap down stocks. Okay, sometimes I saw is that why gap down or the smart money indicators suddenly gone on. You know, that one is actually just a momentum kind of indicators only. Okay, so hopefully that helps. Okay, of course you can use that. Okay, for momentum trading purpose, you can use that. Okay, but for me, still the real volume can actually tell, you know, whether you got some so-called smart money operator in the markets or not. Okay, yeah, JHM also. Wow, this one also double bottom over here. Okay, very nice. Okay, now here's a bit of a so-called hammer. Yes, this is also can consider as a shaker also. Now we got volume ready at the bottom here coming up. Okay, so maybe yeah, it will hover on this double bottoms too. Okay, so let's try QES before we end our sections. Okay, nowadays like I say focus shakeout. Okay, if let's say got shakeout, then I would think it would be quite good. Okay, this one also previously here is a support. Okay, so maybe now they're doing shakeout KC. So let's say they break back to 50 cents, I think would be good also. Okay, for this one. All right, so I think with this, once again, thank you for joining me. Unfortunately, today really nothing. It's even boring, I think, today. I'm not sure. I was hoping a bit of technical rebound, but jadi lah. Okay, so like I say, got nothing. If you still got money in your portfolio, looking for short term, I think like people like Tan, yeah, they're looking for long term. I think it's okay. Now it's you know, like my friends are wow so cheap everything in Arif previously 4 ringgit, not 2 ringgit, so cheap they buy. Okay, volume investing wise, fundamental wise, okay, makes sense. Okay, but for technical purpose, yeah, you know, don't no need to rush. Okay, lots of opportunity in the market. Not every day is a good day to trade. Okay, sometimes we have to learn how to be more patient. I think this is a good time to be a bit more patient. Then we look for more opportunities. All right, with this, once again, thank you, and I'll see you again tomorrow.